Apple's MacBook Air M3 is here. Thinner, lighter, and more powerful than ever. But in 2025, with so many competitors, does it still deserve your money? Or is it just overpriced hype? I've been testing it for weeks, and here's the real answer. If you're watching this, you're probably wondering, should I upgrade to the M3 Air? Is it better than a Windows laptop? Does it fix the M2's flaws? Today we're breaking down performance. Is the M3 chip really faster? Battery life. Does it last all day? Design. What's actually new? And the biggest question, is it worth $1,099 in 2025? Let's get into it. Design and build. At first glance, the M3 Air looks identical to the M2. Same sleek aluminum body, same four colors. But there are tiny upgrades. Thinner bezels, the 13.6-inch screen feels bigger. New midnight anti-fingerprint coating, finally no more smudges, same two USB-C ports, still no SD card or HDMI. Seriously, Apple. But here's the problem. No 120 Hz promotion. The 60 Hz screen feels outdated next to $800 Windows laptops. Still only one external display, a deal breaker for professionals. Verdict? If you love the M2's design, you'll love this. But if you wanted big changes, nope. Performance. M3 chip-tested, Apple claims. The M3 is 20% faster than the M2, but real-world tests, it's complicated. Daily tasks, Chrome, Office, Zoom. Buttery smooth, just like the M2. Video editing, Final Cut Pro, handles 4K like a champ, unless you're doing heavy effects. Battery efficiency, more power, same insane battery life. But gaming, still bad. Even Baldur's Gate 3 stutters on low settings. RAM bottleneck, the base 8GB model struggles with multitasking in 2025. The truth? Unless you're upgrading from an Intel Mac or M1, the speed boost isn't mind-blowing. Battery life, real-world test. Apple promises all-day battery. After testing 14 hours, web browsing, YouTube, still the king. 8 hours, video editing, better than most Windows laptops. One huge win. The 30-watt charger juices it up crazy fast. But here's the catch. Heavy workloads drain it faster. If you're editing 4K all day, bring a charger. Verdict? Best battery in a laptop, but not a huge upgrade over the M2. Price and alternatives. At $1,099, is the M3 Air worth it? Let's compare. MacBook Air M2, $999 now. Almost as good, way cheaper. Dell XPS 13, 2025. Same price, better screen, worse battery. M1 MacBook Air, $799 refurbished. The budget king. Who should buy the M3 Air? First-time Mac users. It's fantastic. Light users who want max portability. Still the best thin and light. Power users. Get a MacBook Pro or Windows laptop. Final verdict. So, is the MacBook Air M3 worth it in 2025? Here's the honest take. Buy it if you're upgrading from an Intel Mac or older. You need the absolute best battery life. You love Mac OS and don't care about 120 Hz. Skip it if you already have an M2 Air. Wait for M4. You game or need pro-level performance. You're on a tight budget. M1 is 80% as good. It's a great laptop, but not a must upgrade in 2025. Agree? Disagree? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more no BS tech reviews, hit subscribe. We drop honest takes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.